Hi guys, that's your guy Mr. DNA. Today I'm going to analyze a Nasdaq guys with you. Without wasting our time, let's start. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open a daily time frame. We'll start to analyze on a daily time frame, guys. Daily it's clear. So if you can check here, Nasdaq is on a uptrend. If you can check, it was a downtrend, then now it's a uptrend. If you can check, we have the break here, a return to the order block, then we have the break, a return to the order block. So if you can check here, it was a downtrend, now we are on a uptrend. We have also managed to break here at this point. Okay, so now we are on a uptrend. So without wasting our time, let's start. Okay, so now if you can check here, if we can check the uptrend overall, it will show you that the market break here, return to the order block, come back break. We also have break and a minor break here. Then we have this break also. So all this thing is showing us that the market is an uptrend. We have a higher high, we have a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we have higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so which means this one is a last higher low. So if the market managed to break this, that's when maybe we would expect the market to give us something like this. So which means it will be a downtrend. That's what we are expecting. So now because the market shows that the market managed to respect this and fail to break, it shows us that the market is still an uptrend. So without wasting our time, let's start to analyze it. Let's start to analyze it. Sorry. Okay, so now we are analyzing from a daily time frame. If you can check, we have the break of market structure here. We have a break of market structure. Then we also have another break of market structure here. If you can check, that's our break of market structure. Okay, so like this. So now the market now is playing between this swing low and a swing high, which is this one. Okay, so now the market is still between the swing low and the swing high. So which means if the situation is like this, it shows us that the market is still on a uptrend because we don't have a break here on a higher low. So if you can check, the market decide to go down, wipe the liquidity, but it managed to tap this order block, which is this one. The market managed to tap this order block. So after that, the market decide to go up. Okay, so I will use a line here like this because the market wiped the liquidity like this. Market wiped the liquidity. Okay, so now for us to find the entry or the change or the confirmation of the change of the direction, we have to go to H4 time frame because this one is a daily time frame. Okay, so before we go to H4 time frame, if you can check here, we have this order block. The market managed to break. If you can check on top here, the market managed to break this order block. So now if the market managed to break this order block, it shows us that the market now is on a uptrend. But change of character, you will find it on H4 somewhere around here. Okay, so now we have this order block like this. Then we go to H4. So on H4, the moment the market wipe the liquidity here and tap the order block, or sometimes the most important thing is not an order block, guys. The most important thing is to wipe the liquidity, because sometimes you will find that maybe we have the order block maybe somewhere around here. Example, let's just say our order block is somewhere around here, then the market just wiped liquidity but failed to mitigate the order block. It's possible. It's highly possible. So the most important thing is not an order block, is to wipe the liquidity. Okay. So now if you can check here, the market tap the order block, break the structure. Let's go to H4 time frame. So even though if we go to H4 time frame, but we already know that the market, we're expecting the market to tap the main turning point, which is this one. But on H4 time frame, we will have the lot of turning point because it will give us a lot of structures. So let's go to H4 time frame to find the coach. Okay. So even though if we don't plot this, but at the end of the day, we will find the coach somewhere. The moment the market wipe the liquidity, that's when you have to go to, or let's just do it in this way. Let me delete this. The moment market wipe the liquidity like this, we have to go to smaller time frame, which is H4, so that we will find the change of character. Okay. So now if you can check clearly, we have managed to break the structure here. And another thing, when you are talking about the coach is the first pullback before the market, before market tap the order block. So this one is the first. It's not inducement. Inducement, we find the inducement like this on a continuation. If the market is continuing going down, that's when we will say we have the inducement. This one is the inducement. Like example, if you can check here, we have the break of market structure. I'm just giving an example. This one, it will be inducement. Okay. It's not a coach. Why? Because it's a continuation. So which means it will be inducement, this one. Then our order block, it will be above the inducement, which is here. Okay. But here in this situation, we have managed to tap the order block. If you tap the order block, this order block is a daily order block. You have to refine it. You can refine it in this way. Then like this. Okay, so now the moment market tap this order block, sometimes it won't tap, but the moment market wipe the liquidity, you have to go to smaller time frame to find the coach. If you can check our coaches here, then we have the change of character. So because we have the change of character, if you can check, this candlestick went up, then reverse, then after that break. So which means this candlestick, it was our entry for a buy. It was our entry because it's a flip. Okay, it was our entry like this. So now the market decided to go up. Then after that, we also have the order block, which is this one. So this order block, market managed to break it. Then it give us another. Sorry, let me change the color of this one. I was forgot. Okay, we have an order block somewhere here again for a buy. Then our turning point was supposed to be this one. So it break also this one. So which means we have the break. Then we're expecting now the market to come back down to this point. So that's what I'm expecting on the Nasdaq, guys. Another thing again, we have this order block, which is here. The market managed to break this order block. So if the market managed to break this order block, it shows that the market, we're expecting it to come back down here. Then after that, we will enter a buy. First turning point, it will be this one. Okay. So if you want to enter a counter trend, you have to go to 50 minutes. You will find the coach, a sell coach, then until this point. So which means the market will give us the change of character here until here. Then it will give us another change of character. You get my point? So which means we will expect the change of character. Like now, if you can check, market wipe the liquidity, break the structure, which means it's a coach. Then our entry will be here, first turning point. Again, it will give you something like this until it reaches this level. Then break again. Then we'll enter a buy. Then our turning point, it will be this one, H4 high. You get my point? So which means we will expect the market to give us the coach here or change of character like this. Then we'll enter a buy. Turning point, it will be this one. Then it's possible to come back up until it reaches this level, which is the higher point. So which means I'm expecting a Nasdaq to reach this level for now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question or if you want us to discuss another topic, just comment on the comment below. Sharp.